today for UK, and he's gonna be back. What, December next year? December this year?
Yeah,
I know. So it's gonna be like a 9-10 months holiday. So, what's the life?
Just तिमीहरुले हामीलाई मलाई एकदम राम्रो कम्पनी दियो हैन See you next year.
See you next year. त्यही भएर हैन हामीले चाहिँ दाइलाई पोखरामा फेला पारेको हैन अनि अहिले सबै यस्तो रमाइलो अब आज चाहिँ सी अफ गर्न आएको सबैलाई एन्ड चेक आउट दिस गोर्खा त्यो के टाई देखाउनु न तपाईँको एन्ड हाम्रो गोर्खा Kichhy. So they're his college mates, batchmates or whatever, like the Gorkha Liharu sabajana. So yeah, we're just gonna see him off and we're gonna go, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, I think. Okay, bye. Hey guys, good afternoon. So today is a brand new day. What day is it today? What day is it today?
hunting day.
Okay, yeah, so as a food hunting day, oh yay. So here at, you can tell, we're here at BUSINESS today and we are hunting for food, and this time I don't have my sister with me. I have MEWANG and he's like one of the local from BUSINESS. He's stayed, like he's lived in BUSINESS for like years, so he's gonna like take me to places and like let's eat some food today. Let's eat some food today. Let's eat some food today. Yay! So we've just reached THUKPA. First stop. Where is the first stop? Huh? Okay, so say hi to BUSINESS. Yay! Doing Kara in this music is a pure bliss because you get the feels, you know, like you get the vibe to do like rounds and rounds of BUSINESS. Looks pretty. And since it's Shivaratri, the weather's pretty gloomy, no sun whatsoever. So yeah, I'm back in BUSINESS, rocking my J's today. It's gonna. One, two, three, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we're outside the stupa and we're gonna go Michung Momo kind of town. I mean Momo kind of town, which the town ko naam chai Michung Momo. Because whenever we come to BUSINESS, we always like just always the no no. We always try to go to Michung to have some momos. So we're gonna go and eat some momos and yeah, start with the momos. I just saw like the pani puri stall there and the puri. New Michung dani shit. Night. So yeah, now I'm trying to go to Monday. We're gonna go Michung. So yeah, we just saw your khatra tyo pani puri khane thau kya puri harne yesto pukka bhako. So we're gonna eat that later after having the momos. So not that hungry, but I can eat for you guys. So that's what we're doing today. I know.
Oh, put on.
Huh?
Pala Michung jane हैन pani puri khane अनि डेजर्ट खाने
कसरी खान्छ डेजर्ट
किन
डेजर्ट लास्टमा खान्छ हैन
लाफिङ खाने
अनि अरु 2-3 टा ठाउँ खानु पर्छ
ए त छैन पाउँछ म त
हैन नि म लग्छु नि यस्तो इरिटेटिङ बौद्धको लोकललाई मैले लानु पर्ने रे Wait, where is this Michung? Buff momo ki chicken. So this is Michung. So I ordered this lemon Fanta. Okay, so we ordered one chapale magaine. Buff thupa, chicken.
Chicken thupa.
So we ordered one chicken thupa that is like 140. Buff momo that's like 130. So cheap. So freaking cheap. And he got the slice. I got the dew. Not the dew. Lemon Fanta. Did you know the mug? Okay. So 2 items here at Mijung and more to go. And I don't know where to go for dessert. So let's see. I want to go Cafe, pastries and all that, but let's see if I find something like nice, better than G Cafe, then definitely go there. Hopefully Sagar ni also, but not sure. Not sure. Just start with video. So it's currently 3:30 p.m. So yeah, I'll see you when the Momo arrives. Okay, bye. Yay! Oh. I thought that was ours too. Okay, so we ordered a plate of Momo. You bought what? Huh? Also, you got chutney, huh? Peanut achar? Badam achar? Yay, okay. So they have like different chutneys. Looks so freaking nice. That's chutney manali, that's achar. So that's vinegar, I think vinegar and chilies. Yeah. That's garlic water. That's soy sauce. And that is salt. Oh, very random. But yeah, I can't wait to dig into the momos, and the soups are nice here. Like you add some like achar to the soup and it just so good. What was it? Video. Mana? Tato. Ew. So this is the THUKPA. He's still having the soup. Oh. 하나 가고 short lens 넘어. chopstick 썰어 넣어서 명철봐.
chopstick कोले बनाएको?
पहिले त हैन. आता
मैले बेद हुन्छ
त नाटक पारे नखान गम्मै खान घुम्मै
मैले बेद हुन्छ आउने आज पनि हेर्नु
भने चलाउन आउँदैन तँलाई
आउँछ
मिठो सी किन सी साच्चीकै भन्नु. So we got out from Mijung and we are here at the pani puri stall I was talking about before. Look at the pani puri. Look at the puri, they're like so puka. And it's very hygienic, guys. Yes. Yes. Chula pani puri. Ek plate मात्रै. Not that good. Okay.
Boda!
With Sagar.
Yes,
What
and
better
my
person?
favorite place.
He's like a local.
So pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean. Okay, so after that Foodhunt, like after that Momo and Pani Puri, we're here at Himalaya in Java, and it looks so nice. Like this is my first time here, and it looks bomb.
It is.
Hi, thanks to Sagar.
Thebomb.com. It's my favorite hangout spot. Right behind me, this window, you can see the as well. Directly,
Yeah.
you can see the soup.
My drink is here with a cheesecake.
Oh, wait.
And Sagar is taking like the Instagram. He's
The
living the
gram life.
Instagram life
Yes.
right now. What photo do you have?
I got the gram alive.
Aight.
2, 3.
Hi Sonam. अस्तिको भ्लग हेऱ्यो अलिकति मात्र थियो त्यो गरेको माइक थिएन नि त त्यही भने होइन होइन हवाई त्यही भने होइन त्यो ऊ भयो क्या कामै भयो होइन तर सोनामले कसले they were jealous सोनाम हाम्रो सोनाम भाइले मलाई डेडिकेट गरेको थियो हवाई भन्ने गीत तर मैले भ्लगमा राख्नै पाइनँ के किनभने फोनबाट दावाले मलाई तिम्रो फोन छोडेर गएको थियो नि त त्यही भएर yeah so the food hunt is over for today and I am gonna go to Tamil at the Monishtaka spa jane and I don't know what I'm gonna do but yeah someone's shooting me right now but yeah food hunt is kind of over. Is it over?
Maybe, never say never. There's still dinner left.
Dinner left, but I think I'm gonna like go back, get out from Bodha because it's quite dark and it's Shivaratri and we have to hang out with our friends. Right?
Shivaratri.
Yeah. Oh yeah, happy Shivaratri, guys. I have like things, yeah, someone, but I won't say it. But yeah, food hunt for today at Bodha ends here. So yeah, I think I'll see you somewhere around Tamil, maybe with the guys. So yeah, I'll see you later.
Peace out.
So we are back from Bodha and we are here at Himalayan Healers and I think Shivaratri Runda, so I think there are gonna be all the fireworks and dung 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 and all whatnot. So the fireworks actually must start hunta. Ani, here now look. So yeah. If you like what you watched, then please feel free to smash that like button and please hit that subscribe button too because it will mean a lot to me. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!